Understanding the phrase, jug hold. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might sound a bit puzzling if you're not familiar with it. Jug hold. Don't worry if you've never heard of it before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. First, let's break the phrase down. Jug. A container, usually with a handle, used mainly for holding and pouring liquids. Hold. To grasp, grip, or have possession of something. When you combine these words, it might seem like it's referring to gripping a container. But in context, it means something a bit different. The term, jug hold, is actually derived from the world of rock climbing. In rock climbing, a jug is a type of hold that is large and easy to grip. Think of it as a big, deep grip where you can fit your entire hand comfortably. So, a jug hold is essentially a very good, comfortable handhold on a climbing route. If someone says, "That rock climb has a lot of jug holds," it implies that the climb has many comfortable, easy-to-grip holds. Let's see how you can use jug hold in a sentence. 1. The beginner's route is filled with jug holds, making it easier for newcomers. 2. After a series of challenging crimps, I was relieved to find a jug hold to rest on. 3. Despite the height of the climb, the abundance of jug holds made it more accessible. There you have it. The phrase, jug hold, isn't about holding a container of liquid but is a term from rock climbing, describing a type of comfortable and secure grip. Language can be fascinating with its diverse meanings across different contexts. We hope this video shed some light on this particular phrase for you. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.